Welcome to our new online video series exploring how precision agriculture is currently being applied by Revolute's precision farmers. In this first episode, we would like to introduce you to our RevToolbox platform. From the Farm View page, you can inspect your entire farm's data on one scale and filter blocks by crop type or even cultivar. In this example, our low-resolution satellite Canopy health maps are being compared to our EMI soil scans. By zooming into a block in the Block Inspector page, we can now compare trees within one orchard, allowing us to visualize where low fruit set areas are, as monitored with our field fruit counting cameras. These maps can then be compared with other data on the right of the screen, like Canopy health or, in this example, soil scan data. These red areas on the yield map that indicate weak fruit set can now be investigated by dragging the line across the map. We can see here how the one large weak yielding area is on a sandy area with possible high water loss, easily improved with application of mulch. To confirm this, we can toggle through all three depths of 25, 50, and 90 centimeters scans we provide. The weak area on the west side of the block is also clearly a problem relating to the soil. Here we can see that possible wet or compact soil has led to weak fruit production. By clicking on another one, we'll automatically navigate to it for you, keeping the settings you used in the previous block. In this example, we can see there is different soils in the north versus the south of the production area. While the yield maps seem to show mostly homogeneous fruit load across the entire block, possibly leading to different size and quality between north and southern fruit. By selecting the Canopy health data monitored by satellite every 5 days, we can see that the north of the block also has a weak canopy size. This area again will be beneficial for the client to consider adding mulch or organic matter to improve water retention ability as well as reduce the amount of leaching of nitrogen and potassium-based fertilizers. The next block has the most complex soil variation, and on top of that it consists of 3 different cultivars, each reacting to its soil, canopy size and fruit load ratio differently, making this type of planting setup nearly impossible to monitor with similar types of systems. Our platform, however, allows you to allocate the rows to specific cultivars and visualize, inspect and create precision GPS-based fertilizer plans per cultivar. See here how we can now monitor the main cultivar in the block on its own and compare its performance to the soil and canopy health data, showing slight reduction in yield on the more sandy parts of the block. Selecting another cultivar, we can continue the investigation. Here we can see that this one has different weak areas than the first cultivar we were looking at. This will allow for more precise labor planning as well as precise leaf sampling for each cultivar type. For these type of interplantings, we will prefer our clients use our tree-level satellite health maps to be able to see the differences between rows in canopy size. With these examples, you can get a sense of why gathering tree-level data is important to analyze and manage variation accurately. We will be discussing the importance of satellite resolution choice in fruit farming and the options we provide in upcoming episodes, as well as several other practical examples of how precision data can be used for increasing profitability. These will include episodes covering precision soil and leaf sampling methods, canopy and yield load management, and GPS-based nitrogen and potassium spreader maps, just to name a few. All maps can be downloaded as Google Earth files for inspection or precision labor management for interventions in the field with your phone's built-in GPS. With our 3-click system to create a digital file for GPS spreaders has never been so easy. Please like and subscribe to find out more in our upcoming weekly video series. Happy precision farming!